In front of me is a Motorola Moto E4 Plus, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So to get started, you want to pull off the back cover, which I already have done, as you can see. And to do it, all you need to do is on the bottom right side, you have a little pull tab. So if I actually show this, you can see it right here. There's a tiny little engraving. So you want to just start prying it from this point and get it all the way off. Now, I did it before, considering it's not the easiest cover to take off. So once you take it off, flip the phone over and you can put in the SIM card and SD card both from here. So SIM, holding it as so, the cutout on the bottom left corner, slide it into the tray all the way, and the SD card as well. Actually, oh, the SD card is on here somewhere. Is it? There we go, on top like so. Okay, so you can see that the SD card goes on top, and you also have, I guess, another space for another SIM card, which you would just slide simply in here like so. And now, if you want to take out the SIM card too is fairly easy to take out. All you really need to do is use your fingernail to push it out like so, and from here you can grab it. The SD card as well, it's easy to take out, you just pull it, but this one is a little bit trickier. So to take it out, you have a tiny little latch over here, which, let me just grab this. Not sure if I can bring it in. So you have this latch right over here, and all you need to do is, I'm just gonna slide it over like so. There we go. Grip this, and you will see that it pushes out the card as well. So if you want to take out the first SIM card that goes in here, all you need to do is just grab that latch, which is on the bottom, and just slide it over, and you can see that it ejects the SIM. From there you can just simply take it out like so. So that is how you would insert and also take out the SIM cards with the memory card. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.